Hey, we are here to give you an eargasm. Yes, the orgasm of ears. Remember that feeling of being in a live music concert? Or listening to the immersive sound on your home theater? Or even the experience of thunder rolling over your body? Do you realize we don't just hear music, but we can also feel it? Well, we bring this eargasmic experience in a headphone. Yes, put your hands together for a new headphones revolution. Sonic Lamp. A headphone that provides high fidelity, fully immersive and personalized audio experience. Powered by the world's first and patented hybrid driver acoustics, which uses a combination of air and body conduction, so that you don't just hear music, but for the first time also feel it, literally. Human hearing is quite sensitive to high frequencies, but low frequencies, not as much. Because bass is felt more than heard. Home theaters deliver great sound with multiple audio drivers for each audio band, plus a subwoofer to make you feel the bass. Headphones generally don't. They use a single audio driver for the entire audio spectrum. But not in Sonic Lamp. Its proprietary impulse driver creates that bass you feel, and a separate audio driver creates melodious mids and highs you hear, resulting in a high-fidelity sound and fully immersive bass. It gets even better with multi-mode. 4 personalization modes to suit everyone's moods and preferences. After 3 years of research and multiple prototypes, we tested the final version in what we called the Sonic Lamp Eargasm Experiment. Sonic Lamp, headphones for eargasmic experiences.